Loan officers. When it comes to building your purchase business, you have two options. You can go door knocking for new realtors, or you can have those realtors come knocking on yours. Introducing AmeriFirst Financial Inc. Sure, we could talk about our in-house underwriting, competitive rates, or generous compensation plans, but that would make us sound like every other mortgage lender in the industry. At AmeriFirst, we'd much rather show you how to attract hundreds of motivated realtors, earn their trust, and create lasting relationships that will turn your job into a career. It all starts with education. Through our state-accredited continuing education school, you'll enjoy access to hundreds of smart, eager realtors seeking the latest industry trends and loan products. But that's not all. We've also invested millions of dollars in the latest technology designed to give those realtors the most competitive marketing advantage possible. So while other loan officers are droning on about the same old FHA, VA, or conventional loan products, AmeriFirst mortgage professionals are talking about what agents care about most: growing their business. While teaching a free continuing education class, you will wow agents by showing them how to crush competitors and dominate the first page of Google, win listings and attract higher commissions using your exclusive technology, create beautiful high-definition virtual tours and single property websites, use cutting-edge text message call capture technology to never miss a lead, attract more deals with our in-house print company that can print everything from full-color custom yard signs to business cards, take advantage of social media with our amazing Facebook application, YouTube video creator, and Craigslist posting tools, and much, much more. At AmeriFirst, these are just a handful of the latest tools we provide our mortgage professionals to help them grow their business. Helping realtors succeed with the latest education and technology is our specialty. Join our team today and see why you'll never have to beg agents for business again. They'll be lined up around the block to work with you. AmeriFirst Financial Inc. More business your way. Contact us today.